Reading can require a lot of thought to make sure you understand the material. When you study, you may tell your friends you have a lot of work to do. Reading does not fit the scientific definition of work because nothing is being moved by a force. A group project can take a lot of hard work and cooperation. However, cooperating on a group project does not meet the scientific definition of work. An object is not being moved. This student is mowing the yard. He is applying force to the lawnmower to move it in a specific direction. This action fits the scientific definition of work. This person is picking up boxes. He is applying force to the boxes to lift them off the ground. This action fits the scientific definition of work. A force causes an object to move in the direction of the force. Scientists express work in a formula. Work equals force times distance. You might think that soccer is just a fun game, but soccer involves work. When players kick the ball, they are applying a force to the ball that makes it move in a certain direction. This can be expressed in the formula. Work equals force, the kicking of the ball, times distance, the distance your foot moves while you are kicking the ball.